Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.